Past continuous tense. Use action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Show two actions happening at the same time in the past. Describe a background action interrupted by another action. Past simple. Temporary actions in the past. Past continuous tense formula and structures. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences. Interrogative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus was were plus verb ing form. I was reading. You were watching. He, she, it was working. We, they were playing. Negative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb ing form. Examples: I was not sleeping. They were not listening. He wasn't paying attention. Interrogative sentences, formula and structures. Was, were plus subject plus verb ing form. Was I talking too fast? Were they playing outside? Were you studying at night? Interrogative plus negative sentences, formula and structures. Was, were plus subject plus not plus verb ing form. Examples: was I not talking too fast? Were they not playing outside? Were you not studying at night?